Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're going to look at Weebly and Shopify. Both let you build an online store, but they work very differently. By the end of this video, you'll know which one fits your business better. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial, plus the $1 per month offer. And then you'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First, let's look at a quick overview. Shopify is a full e-commerce platform made for selling online at any level. It gives you powerful tools, a fast checkout, and everything you need to run a serious online store. Many small and big brands use it because it's reliable and it's easy to grow with. On the other hand, Weebly is a simple drag and drop website builder owned by Square. It's mainly built for small stores, beginners, and people who want a quick and easy setup without too much advanced tools. Now, let's talk about features, okay? Shopify gives you strong e-commerce tools such as inventory tracking, professional checkout, abandoned cart recovery, built-in marketing tools, and access to thousands of apps. You can also customize your store much more because Shopify themes and apps allow you to change almost everything. This makes Shopify great for businesses that really want a lot of room to grow. Weebly, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity. It lets you drag and drop elements to build your site without learning anything complex. You also get basic e-commerce features, simple product pages, and built-in Square payment tools. It's good for very small shops, but it can feel limited when you need more advanced sales features. Next, let's compare ease of use. Weebly is easier for beginners because everything works with simple drag and drop blocks. You don't need any technical skills, and anyone can build a site in just a few minutes. Shopify is also beginner friendly, but it has more tools and settings, which means it usually takes a little more time to learn. The good news is that Shopify has a great tutorial packet, a clean dashboard, and then once you learn the basics, it becomes very comfortable to use. Now, let's look at integrations and tools. Shopify has one of the biggest app stores in e-commerce. You can connect marketing tools, print on-demand services, drop shipping, apps, accounting tools, and so much more. This gives you a lot of flexibility. Weebly has fewer apps and mostly focuses on basic business tools connected with Square. It's enough for small stores, but you might hit limits if your business scales or grows. Next, let's talk about customer support. Big piece here. Shopify offers 24/7 support with chat, phone, and email, plus a huge amount of guides and videos. Since many people use Shopify, it's easy to find help online. Now, Weebly support is more limited. You get email and chat depending on your plan, but responses are not always fast. It works fine for simple stores, but not really great for big businesses. Now let's discuss pricing. Weebly offers a free plan. A personal plan is $10 a month. A professional plan is $12 per month, and a performance plan is $26 per month. Shopify starts with the basic plan is $25 per month, Grow $65 per month, Advanced $399 per month, and the Plus plan is $2,300 per month. So which one should you choose? Go with Weebly if you want something very simple and affordable for a small store. Choose Shopify if you want a stronger e-commerce system that can support growth and handle more sales as your business expands. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You'll unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. In this comparison, if it helps you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.